Hi everyone, I'm doing my topic on the water sources within the Florida Everglades. The Everglades water faces more and more issues every year, specifically primary sources of excess nitrogen and phosphorus. A great percentage of the water is damaged due to many different circumstances that lead to those results. We have the social side and the environmental side. On the social side, I put points such as pollution, developed agriculture, human waste, and alteration of landscapes. I put that pollution and human waste can kind of go hand in hand, just because in Florida we have a lot of pollution. And by human waste, I mean things that we even use at home, like laundry detergents and soaps that go down our drains. We don't realize how toxic those chemicals actually are to our waterways. And then on the environmental side, I have climate change, winter droughts, sea level rise, and heavy rainstorms. Climate change is a big one here in Florida. I've been here for going on 8 years now, and I also lived here when I was a lot younger. And I can tell the difference in the change. Like this winter, we really didn't have any cooler days. It was all pretty much hot. And also in the winter, we don't get a lot of rain, so everything's really dry, which causes a need for more water, which is also in my outcome section. Um, we have a sea level rise and heavy rainstorms. I kind of put those together just because, like right now, it's rainy season in Florida, so we're going to get a lot of rain. Um, and we'll notice our water levels are really high. Those also lead to outcomes such as high nitrogen levels and high phosphorus levels. The need for water will rise again in the Everglades, and because of the high nitrogen levels and the high phosphorus levels, we will see a decreased number of species within the Everglades. Um, Phosphorus and nitrogen are nutrients that are natural parts of the aquatic ecosystems. Um, Nitrogen and phosphorus support the growth of the algae with the aquatic plants, which provides food and habitats for fish, shellfish, and other organisms that live in the water. But when we get too much of those substances is when we have an issue. Um, a lot of it comes again from human activities, but also just things that happen in our environment. Too much nitrogen and phosphorus in the water causes algae to grow faster than the ecosystem can handle, and that would cause an increase in algae that will harm water quality, food resources, and habitats, and it'll decrease the oxygen that the fish and other aquatic life need in order to survive. Um, so that is my framework.